Today was an interesting day for our pinball machine. As you can see, it does not look like it looked yesterday. So this, I think, is a great opportunity for us to revisit our 7-step problem-solving model. This is something that we use in our unit for 7th grade tech, where we're innovating new inventions. But really, this outlines exactly what we were doing today. Step 1, identify and define the problem. Our problem, number 1, the ball shooting out of here. Solve that problem, we build a trap door. Another problem, the ball was exposed. We build a second trap door to keep everything look nice and streamlined. There's another problem. Our ball return. It's kind of hard to get the ball out. So that's another step 1 for our innovation project that we will have to think of solutions for at a later date. Okay. Now, the problem of the day, back to step 1, had to do with the surface of the actual pinball board in the middle, like inside the box, which is not in here right now. It's in my hand. The problem was it had a weak point and it kept breaking in half. So to fix that, I, with the help of some of my students, strengthened it up a little bit with some beams and other Legos. We knew that we wanted it to not break. That's the answer for number 2. Research and investigate. That we had done in a previous exploration of YouTube when we were looking at other examples of these pinball machines. Think of solutions, evaluate the ideas, choose the best solutions. Now here's the fun one. Number 6, implement the solution. Build the prototype or run the experiment. That seems easy enough. What do you do when it breaks again? Well, we go back up a couple steps. Let's research and investigate. Try to find a way to rebuild it, do things differently. Think of solutions, and then we try again. Just giving us just another opportunity to create a stronger rebuild. Now, the next thing that we worked on today was the flippers. The mechanism that will power the flippers on the physical board. We ended up creating with just rubber bands and Legos. So now we have moving parts here. Okay, this guy is not symmetrical. We'll have to fix that with the rubber bands in the back. Shout out to Donnie in my 6th grade class for helping engineer this prototype. Donnie was instrumental in developing this today. So, the next step will be putting this back on the box. Oh, one more thing I changed. The touch sensor, which is going to add up your points and to determine whether or not you win the game, I moved to the surface of the board so it'll be easier to run over and gain the points. I noticed there is a little hole that looks like it's just big enough for a marble to get stuck in. And we want the marble to not get stuck. Step 2, what are the results that we want? We want the marble to not get stuck. Research and investigate. We'll have to investigate this and maybe research how to close this gap or maybe rebuild. Think of solutions. I'm already thinking of the solutions. And build the prototype and test. So today I just wanted to give a shout out to the 7-step problem solving model, which is literally in action right here. And a shout out to 6th grader Donnie, who did an awesome job engineering the first prototype for the flippers. So tomorrow we will reattach this. Oh, look at that, it stands right up. We will reattach the surface to the board and then take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.